continuing this episode of Healing from Childhood Trauma. Today we are talking about something very crucial, which is very, very paramount to our parenting journey, repairing and not perfecting. Think of a time when you overreacted to what a child did. How did you respond? How did you handle the matter? For instance, yesterday I was with my 3-year-old and I was distracted doing some other things, and I caught unconsciously just shouted at her. And then she said, "Mommy, you now shouted at me." Oh, I didn't even notice I shouted at her. And then when she said that, I said, "I'm sorry." Now, when you overreact, how do you handle the matter? Because the focus is repairing and not perfection. Because an intentional parenting journey is not in the perfection. It's a journey, it's not a destination. Meaning that we get better on daily basis. In this journey, you will make mistakes. But when you make mistakes, what do you do with your mistakes? Turn your mistakes to a solution. Instead of sitting down with your problems, sit down and recreate that problem, turn it over to solution. So you have decided not to yell again, but unconsciously you yelled. So what should you do? You should take time to apologize or to repair that thing that has just gone wrong. Don't say, "Well, I'm the parent, so what else? I can do and undo." That's not the case. You must decide to do the needful by repairing the error or mistake you have committed. That way, you teach your child how it is that even in their journey, they can make mistakes. And when they make mistakes, they can correct themselves. This is what we're doing today. We hope you will do this and share with us how this has helped you. Share with your parents or a friend that this is great. Have a nice day.